Unit 1. 1.1 It's a small world. It's a world of laughter. A world of tears. It's a world of hopes. And a world of fears. There's so much that we share, that it's time we're aware. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. There is just one moon. And one golden sun, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Though the mountains divide and the oceans are wide. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. Richard M. Sherman and Robert B. Sherman. It's a small world. Sometimes you meet the same people in an unexpected place or find out that they are connected to people you know. The words, "It's small world," are used to show your surprise on such an occasion. In this poem, the words are used to tell us that all human beings are alike. Ads. It's a Small World is a very popular song, translated into many languages. This song is played on a ride of the same title in Disneyland.